Hi, Dr. Scott here. Today, I am going to answer some questions about chiropractic and sciatic pain. Can chiropractic care help sciatica? Yes. Chiropractic adjustments can relieve the nerve compression causing sciatica, helping to reduce pain, numbness, and tingling naturally. How long does it take to feel relief? Many patients notice improvement within the first few visits. Chronic or long-standing cases may take several weeks of consistent care to fully resolve. What causes sciatica to flare up? Poor posture, sitting too long, lifting improperly, or spinal misalignment are common triggers. Chiropractic care helps correct these underlying issues. Is chiropractic care safe for sciatica? Absolutely. Chiropractic adjustments are gentle, precise, and designed to safely relieve pressure on the sciatic nerve. Can sciatica go away on its own? Sometimes mild cases resolve temporarily, but if the root cause isn't addressed, symptoms often return or worsen over time. Chiropractic care helps correct the cause for lasting relief. This is Dr. Scott, and thanks for listening. If you need more information, contact my office at 757-363-8571.